Hi, my name is Seph Anderson, and I'm a first-year experienced instructor teaching freshman students basic academic and life skills at the University of Mississippi, which is my alma mater. While I'm doing that, I'm also enrolled as a graduate student at the University of Florida in the College of Journalism and Communications Digital Strategy program.
I am working as I'm attending UF and getting my master's, and I am working at the Walt Disney Company as a frontline employee.
Well, I would say that my experience with the program has been a little bit different than it was originally advertised because of this little thing called COVID-19. So I applied to be in the in-resident, so the in-person form of the program for 2 years for the first semester, and then half of the semester it was in person, but during spring of 2020, we had a global pandemic hit the world, so everyone went online. So I have now experienced both in person and online, as we now know through this forum. So it has been really incredible. The program is, I tell everyone that I see, I feel like I am not only learning new things, I'm learning things that are applicable towards the industry and resume building. I feel like I'm truly honing in and mastering the skills that I previously did not have as much confidence in.
To any students that are considering an online education right now, during the pandemic, I would say there are two keys. And those two keys would be to commit to time management and organization skills before you even get started. If you do that, you're going to guarantee yourself success. And as much as anything, you're going to guarantee yourself the time to learn what you really need to know versus just going through the motions.
My advice for anyone pursuing education online is definitely to make sure that you're, planning everything out according, to your calendar, both if you're working or if you're not, because I've found that some things can fall through the cracks if you're not, paying attention to assignment due dates or deadlines. I also encourage, people to reach out to their professors who might have office hours or video conferences, so they can get that one-on-one time with the people that are teaching the course, so they can put a face to the what they're studying. I found that to be super beneficial as well.
You're no longer an undergrad when you're going through a master's program. Like, you don't have to be afraid of, oh my gosh, there's a difference of gap, I'm a student, they're my professor. Like, they told us from the beginning they're colleagues. So really looking at them obviously with respect, but trying to work with it because this is for your future and your benefit. So don't be afraid to use your voice and speak up for what you know is best for you going forward.
I'd like to thank everybody at the College of Journalism and Communications at the University of Florida. I've worked in higher education for over 10 years. I've always thought a lot about the University of Florida as an institution, and I had high expectations coming in, but the people and the program have far exceeded anything I could have possibly imagined. So I thank all the professors, the faculty, and the staff for doing everything they do for us. Go Gators!